The right inspiration can change the way you look at anything, even when it comes to the way we think about vegetables. This might look like a regular bowl of broccoli, but with the right attitude, it turns into a sweet green monster pizza. And some average everyday corn can become a real corn dog. That's what Bird's Eye is all about. Inspiring everyone to think about veggies as a delicious, colorful way to get crazy in the kitchen. And with all the variety and yummy flavors packed into Bird's Eye veggies, it's so easy to get in on the action. So help us show America how easy it is to love our veggies. All it takes is looking at them the right way. Share your veggie inspirations at nick.com/birdseye, and it might even be shown on iCarly. And enter for a chance to win the iCarly I Cook with Bird's Eye sweepstakes, where one grand prize winner will visit the set of a Nick show.